If W varies inversely as UV all over U plus V, and W is equals to 8 when U is equals to 2 and V is equals to 6, find the relationship between U, V, and W. We have options A to option D. Let's solve solution. Now we have that W varies inversely. Inversely is 1 over. So 1 all over U V all over U plus V. So that is what we mean by inverse. So 1 over. Now let's bring in a constant to replace this proportionality sign. So that will be W is equals to, let's use K as a constant. So K all over U V divided by U plus V. Now this is just like in our previous video, this is a fraction as denominator of another fraction here. So this our denominator here, this number here, this our set of variables here, we become the numerator up here. So we're having our W is equals to K times the whole of this U plus V. Now all over U V. So this is a kind of our relationship, but we will not stop here. We'll have to substitute those values we have been given so that we can actually get a better relation that does not have K. Remember, we're not giving K, so we have to find the value of K, then we return back to this place. So keep this in mind, keep this place. This is one of our relations that we are going to substitute our values to get the actual relation that was required of us. Now from here, let me rewrite this. So we have W is equals to K into U plus V all over U V. So that this will be over 1, so that we can cross multiply this time this time this. So we have our K into all this times 1 will be the same thing. So we have K into U plus V equals to U V W. That is U V times this. Alphabetically you have U V W. Now if I divide both sides, by U plus V, this will cancel this and we have this U plus V. So we have that. So by the time I divide both sides, we have this. So this is the value of our K. Let's substitute those variables that was given to us. That will now, our K, let's bring that up here. Our K will be equals to U V W all over U plus V. Don't forget that we're given that W is 8, U is 2, and V is 6. So let's substitute those values. So this will be equals to our U, which is 2, times our V, which is 6, times our W, which is 8. W, which is 8. Divide by our U, which is 2, plus our V, which is 6. So by the time we solve this, we have 2 times, okay, let's add up this, let's make it a bit simplified. So this 2 times 6 times 8. So just to make it fast, 2 plus 6 is 8. So that 8 we divide this, that is out. Then we are left with 2 times 6 is 12. So our K is 12. So we are going to return this back to this our expression. To this our expression. I told you that this will be like our relation. So we are going to substitute the value of K into this. So that if we do that, our W will be equals to 12, which is the value of K, into U plus V all over UV. So that is what we have. Now go back to your question. If you look at your options, you find out that we have some things in UVW. We have this, we have this, we have this. So let's cross multiply this. If we cross multiply this, that is W times UV, we'll have UVW. Remember alphabetically, this will be equals to 1 times the whole of this, we have 12 into u plus v. So if we check through our options, we find out that the correct answer to this question as solved is option C. Option C is the correct answer to this question. I would advise you to go through this again, though this is from variation, but variation is that the more you keep solving, the more you discover new questions, discover new types of questions, and you keep solving them, and you become better and better and better. I mean it. So if you have any question along the line while watching this particular video or any of our videos, feel free to drop your question in the comment section, both on YouTube, on Facebook, and even on WhatsApp. You can reach me as well. So let me know, so I will respond to your questions. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. Don't forget to follow us. And as you do that, I am very sure you become better each day. See you again in the next video.